Hi friends, welcome to Learn in Minute series. This is Varun and in this video we are going to look into cloud deployment models. First, before getting into the actual topic, we need to know what is cloud computing. Cloud computing is the service of providing IT resources like data storage, services, databases, networking, and softwares on demand. So here the service is provided on demand and based on the pay per service basis. The cloud service providers offers or create this deployment models in three ways: public, private, and hybrid. So we call them as a public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. So number one is the public cloud. The best example for this is if you are having for a transportation facility, you can opt for buses where the public can all the public can access the bus. What is the advantage of using this is you can have it or you can have the transportation with a nominal price. The same thing is being adapted here. The cloud infrastructure is made available public over the internet. So the service is available to anyone who wish to subscribe. So it provides distributed infrastructure where the compute, storage and network are deployed separately. So the example for this public cloud is AWS, Azure or Google Cloud. So number two is the private cloud. In the private cloud, all the hardware or the software resources are exclusively used by one organization. So like we see in the previous example, that transportation, if you are in need of a private transportation, you need to purchase your own car so that you can have a private transportation facility. So what is the problem in this private transportation facility is the cost is very high. So you need to use lack of money to adapt to this private transportation facility. Similarly, taking into this private cloud, the same way here you will be given exclusively given an reserves. It can be managed by the organization itself or even by the third party. We normally call it as on premise or off premise. If you are using or if you are managing the cloud in your organization itself, that is on premise, and if the managing is done by the third party, then it is called as off premises. The AWS and VMware are supporting this private cloud facility. What is the major difference between this public and the private cloud? The major difference between the public and the private cloud is that if the cloud has restricted access to all resources to one organization, it is a private cloud. And if the cloud is open to public, it is called as the public cloud. The third model is the hybrid cloud. So the same transportation example we are taking here, if you want a public transformation, that is with if you want to have the transportation with a nominal price, as well as you need to have a sophisticated journey as like your private vehicle, so you can adapt to taxi. So here it is not as costly as the private vehicle. Also it is, you can get it as a nominal price, and you can have a sophisticated environment. The same way, coming to this hybrid cloud, it includes a mix of private and the public cloud services. So with this, the cloud adapters get the benefits of both the private cloud and the public cloud. So where we use the private cloud and where we use the public cloud, that is the important scenario here. The public cloud supply the low cost infrastructure that makes it easy to scale up the organization or the operation when needed, while the private cloud, which is being used to secure the organization's most sensitive data. Hope you have got the basic understanding of various cloud deployment models. See you soon in some other video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.